Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video, I will be discussing the Ethereum price section, where we are right now seeing on the 1 hourly time frame a rising wedge getting created here, what can be potentially, of course, a little bit of a bearish driver in the market. As well, we will be discussing the perfect retest that we got here, and are we still going to reach our price targets of this symmetrical triangle? As well, we will be talking a little bit further about this falling wedge that we have been breaking out already on the 27th of June. Are we still going to see our price target getting reached here? As well, we will be going over to some daily candles here, where we of course are potentially going to go in towards this $2,230 what will be of course massive resistance for Ethereum. And of course, we will be discussing for sure the amazing falling wedge that we have been spawning here on the daily time frame on Ethereum, what can be signifying that we are going to see a potential move towards the $4,000 getting created here. So guys, if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to already smash up these likes here. Leave a comment below here if you're enjoying these updates, and of course, if you're enjoying these videos here on the channel. And as well, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification so you're not going to miss out on any of these updates here on the channel. So yeah, with this have being said, guys, let me go right away into the video, and let me start off discussing the 1 hourly immediate short-term time frame. So yeah, what are we seeing right now on the 1 hourly time frame? So it looks to be, in my opinion, that we are having some bearish development right now playing out on the Ethereum price section. So we have been seeing, of course, higher highs getting created, but it is, of course, cooling off ever so slightly. And as well, if we're looking to the RSI, guys, if I'm enabling the RSI, you can see that we have been starting to create a downtrend. So of course, the RSI is starting a downtrend, setting lower highs, indicating, of course, that the buyers are cooling off here. The buyers are getting a little bit exhausted, where the prices are still increasing, creating bearish divergence after bearish divergence. But we are here but as well, we have been setting higher lows every single time. So this is, of course, still pretty good here to see. And for sure, rising wedges are bearish bias patterns, but I'm not saying that we have to be breaking down for sure. I mean, there's also definitely a scenario that we can be seeing a breakout towards the upside from here on, because we have been seeing that several times in the past as well. And you have to know it's only on the 1 hourly candle, so it's not a very significant bearish pattern. Even though if we're going to see this breakdown, we will be just moving down towards levels around the $2,060, and after that we will be just starting to move up once again here. So yeah, I do think that the immediate short term, maybe the coming 4 hours, we can be still trading in this pattern. But if we're going to see a breakdown, it will be, of course, a very slight decreasement of maybe a approximately 4% decreasement. And if we're going to see so, I will be, of course, looking to accumulate more after my position. As well, to give you guys a quick update here about my trade. These are the trades that I'm currently having open. My Ethereum trade is approximately 200% in profit right now, since, of course, opening it perfectly here together. I've been, of course, warning you guys all here on my Twitter page. I've been warning you guys all on my Twitter page at Rover CRC, where I have been, of course, announcing that I opened this trade here and that I'm looking to, of course, open more trades altogether. But you can see right now I'm currently 194% in profit. But literally on the moment of recording, I took some profits because we are right now, of course, in this rising wedge, what is typically speaking a bearish bias pattern. So to cover my profits, to lock in some profits, I did took some profits right now here. Approximately 25% of my trade I already secured in here. So yeah, I think it's a good decision. Of course, let me know what you guys think of it. I do think, of course, once seeing such a bearish bias pattern here, what can be potentially lead towards a 4% decreasement, I will be taking already some minor profits. But yeah, if I'm going to zoom out in a second, I do want to be saying that you really want to be bullish than bearish on Ethereum, because yeah, right now on the immediate short term, I'm maybe a little bit bearish. But of course, if I'm zooming out to the 4 hour and potentially to the daily, I'm getting more and more bullish about that one. But yeah, for sure, this one can still break towards the upside. If we're going to see a breaker towards the upside, this will be, of course, quite bullish, because this will be signifying a 5% move towards the upside, and my take profit was not so good here. So yeah, $2,300 will be the target towards the upside. So even if we're going to increase, I still have my position open and I will be still benefiting from it. So already looking forward towards that one as well. And yeah, to discuss this other 1 hourly candles, guys, you can see it over here as well here perfectly. By the way, yesterday we were discussing this level that you do want to be seeing a retrace, and we were recording the video yesterday over here, and we were talking to everyone I should only open a trade here on this position, on this level over here. If you did so, if you did listen to me and open the trade over there, you were already approximately 8% towards the upside. You have been absolutely crushing it if you did so. So that's absolutely amazing to hear if you joined it over there, of course. But right now, it's definitely not the time to enter a trade, in my opinion, because the risk is a little bit too high to do so around these levels. And of course, you can be definitely traded as well towards the downside, but I should only do it if we're, of course, going to see, of course, a clearly 1 hourly candle close below it or above it. And then I also want to be giving another update, guys. Make sure to as well join the Discord server right now here, because you can see over here in this Discord server, we are giving you guys all kinds of updates here, and you can see it over here. We have a special chat here. It's called Rover Signals, and we are going to give you guys all these perfect signals over here on Ethereum or Bitcoin whatsoever. We have been as well already calling an update about Bitcoin over here, so make sure as well to join the Discord server right now. If you're joining the Discord right now, you will be, of course, not missing out on all these important and interesting updates here that we are going to give to you guys. So yeah, it's the highest link in the description once again here. You can be just finding it, and of course, if you're joining the Discord, you will be joining a community where you can be as well become a profitable trader, because we in the community are helping you guys, and you can be finding a buddy as well here to trade together with, etc., and you can be helping each other out here. So the best way how we can be developing the crypto market here is to help each other out here. So that's the reason why you can be joining the Discord server right now here. Maybe you know something that someone else doesn't know, and you can be, of course, fill each other in here, and of course, in the end of the day, it will be the best strategy to build a strong community. Besides that as well, make extreme profitable community. So yeah, that was the thing that I was willing to say here. But then let me move on to the 4 hourly candles, guys. So yeah, the 4 hourly candles is well pretty exciting what we are having over here. So yeah, already have been discussing it several times while we were trading on these stages over here. I mean, I've been warning everyone so many times, and everyone just keeps calling me an extreme bull. I can't be bearish. You have to be bearish. We're going to go to $1,200 US. No, I have been accumulating my position over here because, of course, there are several reasons for it, and I will be going more in depth about it if we're going to discuss the daily candles. But I mean, yeah, since seeing the breakthrough of the resist line, guys, I've been saying it all the time along. I do expect the price target of the $2,600 will be getting reached here. Maybe it can take another 6 days. For sure, I do expect the price target getting reached here. Nothing goes up in a straight line. We will be going up with bumps and rides here, but in the end of the day, I do expect the price targets getting reached here. So yeah, looking forward towards this one. Nothing looking extremely bad on a 4 hourly time frame, to be very honest. It is looking very healthy, and as well, if I'm enabling the MACD here, the trend on the MACD, what was of course not so on Bitcoin, is looking extremely healthy, because you can first of all see this higher high is just getting created here with a higher high in the price chart, looking like a very healthy trend here, as well coming together with a lower low getting created here, but a higher low in the price chart. So that's of course giving us a bullish signal, a bullish divergence. And right now the uptrend is looking extremely healthy. There's definitely nothing wrong with it. And as well, if we're enabling all these indicators like the EMA ribbon or so, and it's a very popular one. It's about to cross bullish once again here. It's about to become green once again here. It's crossing over at literally the time of recording. So yeah, it is looking strong again. It is flipping over again. And yeah, you rather want to be on the right side, and that is the bullish side. So yeah, let me discuss as well these daily charts here for Ethereum, because this of course, I already made a video about it yesterday, but this is one heck of an important falling wedge, guys. So this already over here is a falling wedge, of course, but right now we are having as well one getting created on a daily candle. And you have to know one thing. If you're in Bitcoin, if you're in crypto in general, you have to know how falling wedges in crypto behave themselves, because 90%, 95% of the falling wedges breaks out towards the upside. And I've been saying it already before seeing the breakout. Once again, yesterday I've been warning you guys, day before I have been warning you guys, and this is looking like an extreme good opportunity to take this trade. And that is, of course, also one of these many reasons why I'm still keeping my Ethereum trade open. 195% here, but what if I can see my trade increase with another 1,000% from the level, the position that we're right now trading on, because the price target of this falling wedge is standing around to $4,200 US. Of course, it's a pretty extreme price target, but it is, if we're looking to the technicals, a very healthy chart and a very healthy pattern with a lot of touch points and with a lot of significance. So yeah, if we are going to close, and of course I'm not saying that we already broke out here, because to determine the breakout, guys, I do want to be seeing the daily candle close above this resistance line. And as long as we're not going to close the daily candle above this resistance line, I will be not flipping bullish and I will be not calling this price target yet here. But of course, we can be still creating a wick on the top side and decrease, and that's the reason why I'm saying so. So yeah, if the daily candle close above this level of resistance, yeah, guys, higher prices are imminent, and Ethereum can be really going for a next rally up here, and as well coming out here with the Ethereum stakings, of course, increasing with Ethereum 2.0 coming out with their next hard fork update. It's going to be extremely important, and as well, London, the testnet for London is live right now, guys. You have to be knowing what you want to be buying, and I've been personally stacking up all my Ethereums the whole way around here. And for all the people that are willing to trade Ethereum as well here, go to the Bybit link in the description. You can be finding it in the description as well here. If you're going to sign up, you're getting a $2,610 deposit bonus, and you can be maybe joining me as well with the potential trade. If we're going to close the daily candle outside of it, I will be probably opening another trade on my different account with extreme low leverage, but to still drive this trade towards new all-time highs here, because yeah, these are opportunities that you just don't want to be missing, right? So yeah, looking strong, looking good here, but of course still we are like discussed yesterday as well here, we're still are about to run in towards the EMA ribbon resistance. I do think if we're going to close about outside of this resistance line, that we can be easily pushing through this level, but for sure this is already, if we're willing to trade above the EMA ribbon, this is already a 15% move towards the upside. So yeah, let's see how Ethereum will be behaving itself. But I mean, general speaking, if we're just looking to the charts and not to the indicators, it's looking like an extreme good setup, and I'm not willing to miss this setup, because you don't get these opportunities every single day here. This on the daily candles, guys, and opportunities on the daily candles just appear once in a few months or so, and this one is once again a perfect falling wedge, and you don't get this chance every single day. And besides that, besides this as well, guys, the funny part about it, once we broke out, everyone said, okay, we broke out of the falling wedge. No, you want to be early on it. And you heard this once again first on the Crypto Rover channel, because we are doing perfect research. We are doing perfect analysis. And literally our last 5 or 6 Ethereum calls that we have been making on the channel were all perfectly played out here. So once again, Ethereum as well, one of these many reasons why I've been buying up this the 0.618 here is, of course, the Fibonacci. The $1,720 is, of course, the 0.618 Fibonacci. We can be potentially running in towards our next Fibonacci resist level. Guys, you can first of all see the significance of the 0.618 here. It is just very significant. You just don't want to be ignoring the Fibonacci. If we're going to increase towards the top side, we can be potentially running towards some resistance around the $2,232. So that's a thing that to look forward towards. But yeah, you can as well see it from the past, guys. In the past, we have been bouncing several times from the 1.618 as well here, as you can see over here. So yeah, we're historically seeing, guys, this is of course the bull run of 2017, and this was the top of 2017. This was the top of 2017. So yeah, we're just getting started. If you compare it to 2017 here, 0.618 here is a perfect level of retest that I'm looking for, and I will be definitely looking for a retest around that level, the 0.618 here, and you can see we got it, and I of course opened my trade, and right now we'll be riding it towards new all-time highs, because personally, yeah, I do think that we are seeing a reversal, and as well on the lower time frames we're seeing clearly a double bottom getting created here, and yeah, we can be looking for higher prices anytime soon here. So yeah, next major resistance is $2,232. If we are really going to break through that level, I mean, it's game on, and we will be seeing, of course, very rapidly the $2,700 once again here. So yeah, guys, for sure, I will be keeping you guys up to date on the channel. I gave you all my insights about the lower time frames, etc., about Bitcoin, about Ethereum, but I do expect what will be happening. Hopefully you enjoyed this video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching here. I will be trying to push this video out as soon as possible, because I do think it's very important to look at this falling wedge that we're right now creating here. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.